Welcome back to Learning to DIY. Today we're going to be opening up a tool that's not mine. I have the dispensation to unbox and test some Hercules tools which I've never owned, and as far as this is concerned, you might be saying to yourself, what in the heck is that contraption? If you're not familiar with Sawzalls, this is a compact reciprocating saw, or Sawzall, and this is by Hercules from Harbor Freight. I've opened a few Bauer brand tools and I really enjoyed those. We're going to take a look at this. It's actually pretty heavy in the box, so we'll see. It advertises 25% more compact, 40% lighter, and it recommends a 5.0 battery, and it includes a blade. So let's get to it. I don't want to destroy this box like I do mine. Caught without my little Milwaukee knife. I'm going to have to use the old Dollar Tree knife that I'm hopefully going to do a demo on those to see if it's even worth $1.25, but right now it is. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's got the thing, the tongue slides out on this one. Okay. It's a 20 volt. It's like it's got a 7/8 inch stroke on this, and a keyless blade change, so I'm hoping that it's pretty easy to handle. Hey, Hercules blade. Actually, Hercules, I use their oscillating tool blades, the carbide ones. They're not bad. They appear to cut the mustard. Alright, so let's take a look at this mighty mischievous Sawzall. Wow, this is some high quality plastic right here. Alright. Whoa, I don't know about you, but that is very attractive. I like that blue, and it's got the embossed lettering. It's not, it doesn't feel cheap in the hand. It's got this molded rubber. It's everywhere, down on the battery casing, all the way up here. This is all molded rubber, and then the hard tool plastic right there, which there is a term for. I just don't know it. There's the lock and the unlock. It comes locked, that's handy. And like most of them, I believe that's a plastic blade, plastic fan blade in there. And yeah. Okay, let's just put the blade in. I'm going to take a look at it here. 20 volt max, 0 to 3000 SPM, strokes per minute, and a 7/8 inch stroke. It says it has an electronic soft start, and we do have a 5 amp hour battery here. I'm not familiar with Hercules batteries. I only bought into the Ryobi battery, but you can see the difference between a 5 amp hour Hercules and a 4 amp hour Ryobi battery. These went with more flat batteries used by Milwaukee and DeWalt and that sort of thing. Looks pretty good. Alright, so let us get a battery into this. Well, let's start with the blade. Get the blade in there. The mischievous jester in the world of power tools, the Sawzall. Let's see. Okay, and it looks like there's a twisting motion here to be able to unlock this area and put in the blade. Go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put it over here. Get the blade in there, and that is locked in good when you let it go. Wow. Okay, so we got a blade in there. We'll go outside and do some demonstration with this. For now, I just want to see what it sounds like. We'll go ahead and slip the battery on. Got the 5 amp hour, fully charged, and it will be still fully charged when we go outside. Usually these will cut through things like butter, and being a jester of the power tool world, it will definitely leave a trail of laughter. Let's listen to it. Variable speed, nice. That's slow. That must be max right there. Does it sound like it's laughing? It kinda. Looks like it could definitely lighten up a dull project. That's a party in a power tool. Haha. This looks like it's gonna cut through wood and spit out man glitter. I like that. That's sawdust, in case you didn't know. I learned that at the Sawdust Festival. Man glitter. All right. I mean, take a look at that. I can get real slow. This looks like it's a metal blade. I will try a Diablo blade for wood, and we'll go outside and cut some wood. We might cut some metal too. I do have something out there. This is not a carbide blade, but might put a carbide blade on it from Diablo, and see if we can saw through some cast iron. How about that? Some thick cast iron. We'll see what we can do. And before we get too far, I just wanted to lay these side by side. This is the regular reciprocating saw from Ryobi. It's the HP 1 Plus brushless. This is also brushless. So this is what they're like with the battery side by side. This is compact, and I believe so height-wise. I think height-wise, this is 8 inches. This is, well, let's see. Well, this is about 8 inches, also 8.5, and yeah, this is about 8. It's actually, this is taller. The difference is this is much heavier. It's much heavier, and if I had a scale, I'd weigh them. I should have done that. I do have that ability, but yeah, it's heavier. So the weight, I think, is the big difference, and the fact that this is one-handed. And I can operate this one-handed, but it's a bit unwieldy. So it's designed for you to put your other hand here and grip and saw. Whereas this, it's just it's lighter. It's so much lighter, and this is obviously not balanced. The weight is definitely forward, whereas this very well balanced. So definitely nice. I really like that. This one, okay, I got variable speed on that too, but you know, the price difference, well, you have to look at that too. But Ryobi does make a compact. Man, I just can't get by. That is so nice. I really want to try that on some wood out there. I've got a very, very, very stubborn bush. Okay, I've got some cast iron here. This is actually leftover from a piano. It's a part of what held the harp, the piano harp, and this is some pretty thick cast iron. I went through this piece. See the thicker part? It is super thick. I went through that with the other Sawzall about 4 or 5 months ago, so it is rusted now. But that is thick metal. And I used a carbide blade. I had tried, I think it ate several Warrior blades that were meant for metal. It ate a Milwaukee blade meant for metal, but I think that those were not meant for thick metal. Okay, we're going to try the thick metal Diablo blade, and oh, sorry about that. So you can see for thick metal, we'll see if it'll go through it. Cast iron should not be like a tempered, super hard iron. It's just cast, so let's see how it does. still do it. That's amazing. I don't think it ate up the blade very much. Well, you can see the blade's still in pretty good condition. I've been hacking at this bush. You can see there's a lot of debris from it. This has come up. It was up last year. We chopped down a bunch of it. It ate up a bunch of chainsaw chain blades, and it ate up a lot of stuff just trying to get it out of here. It is crazy. In the middle are really old branches that have practically turned to powder. I can see where they've tried to drill holes in it and poison it and everything else, but it just keeps coming back. So you can see where I did a saw there with the other Sawzall. I'm gonna see how quickly this will go through it. I put on the 9-inch blade. It's the wood blade, the fast cutting wood blade from Diablo. We'll see how it goes. Give it a shot and see how it does with a 9-inch blade. Well, that's pretty quick. There was a lot of vibration. You really have to watch the way you hold it, but I mean, it's one-handed. It's super nice. I was able to get in there even with a 9-inch blade. I could have done it with a 6-inch. It'd probably been a lot easier. I just wanted to see how the 9-inch performed on a compact. So it's pretty nice. I mean, overall, this is a really good saw. I really like it. It's really nice to look at, and man, it seemed to eat through that no problem. The vibration was not awful. Obviously, a larger, heavier Sawzall is going to have a little less shaking of your hand and your arm if you're doing a big job like that. But yeah, this is pretty nice. I really like the Hercules so far. I'm not, doing a ton of stuff, but wanted to unbox it, take a look at it, give it a little test. Let me know what you think. Thanks for learning with me.